Hi, my name is Jonathan. I came here to Stem Cells Colombia. I was in a motorcycle accident several years ago. Tore my patellar tendon, wasn't ruptured. I've been having a lot of pain, a lot of issues in my hip. I decided to come here and get my stem cells done. I'm looking to get a better recovery, feel less pain, and hopefully gain more mobility in my knee. Stem Cells Colombia has been amazing. The service, like no other. They've been with me every step of the way. They have treated me like family. It's been awesome. Any questions that I have, they're always there to answer. They're constantly monitoring me, asking me how I'm feeling throughout the day. It's been awesome. Stem Cells Colombia, I highly recommend it. With getting stem cells, I'm looking to get more mobility in my knee, be able to be more active, be able to run again. Hopefully, the other pains that I have from other areas due to my knee and the way I've been walking kind of correct themselves. So I'm really looking forward to have a pain-free life.